Hello students, today I wanted to show you how to put your writing assessment away. So go to your classwork and then on the left hand side ePortfolios, click, and then you're going to click on your ePortfolio. And now you'll see that it is right there on the front page. So you can click on it and you can read through. Okay, take a look at what Julie commented on. Okay, so I will have made marks, and you can also read my comments down here. And you can see that in order to, if you complete, your mark is up here 8 out of 8, or maybe it's 6 out of 8 or 5 out of 8. What counts is the 3 or the 2. So if you got a 3, you complete it. And you're going to write that down. Okay. And you can also write your score out of 8. And the date was February 24th. So write that down. And it's called Emailing a Child's Teacher. So write that down. And now you're going to go back and you're going to move it. So click with your left finger down on the touchpad and with your right finger drag it into Writing Artifacts and then click Move. And now you want to double click on Writing Artifacts. You can undo it if you made a mistake right here, but I'll just exit. Let me just see if I have it there. And I can see it's there. Good. Now I click on my name. And now I'm going to go to number 2, Inventory Sheets. Double click. Click on CLB4, Master Inventory. And now down at the bottom, you're going to find Writing. So click on it. And your name is there, and then you're going to write the date for that assessment. So it was February 24th, 2022, and the task was emailing a teacher, and it was called, oops, so now I need to, what happened here? I need to go up. Somehow I skipped down to the bottom. So always click in the white part to scroll down. It's a formal assessment, and it was number 3, Getting Things Done. And then click over on the white part and use the arrow key on your keyboard to arrow down. If you have a score, some people don't have a score, you can write it there. And if you were successful, a 3 or almost there, a 2 or not yet, a 1. Good. So now I want to just go back and I can close the tab and I can come back to my main page and it looks clean. Then I can close the tab. So that is how we put our writing assessment in our ePortfolio.